The oyster business, as I pointed out, Dr. George Richardson had given up his oyster business. They, Captain Marshall ran his until about, I think he gave out in World War II. But the shucking process of oysters it was a big labor concentration, and West Point was a very good oyster market because they could put a little bit of ice with them and ship them on the train, whereas the other markets further away, they couldn't do that. So West Point, Captain Bill did a whole lot of shipping of oysters. And of course the oyster business gradually died as roads were built, and a combination of things destroyed the bottoms that the oysters could live on.